Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video we will see a new recipe of eggless black forest cake. We have divided this cake into 5 layers and I'm going to show you how to bake both in the oven as well as in the kadai. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel and do not forget to press on the bell icon button to get the notification of my new recipe. To bake in kadai, here I have taken approximately 3/4 cup of regular cooking salt. Place a stand, close the lid and preheat it for 10 minutes at low flame. To preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the batter. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of sugar. This is the powdered sugar. Now to it add half cup of oil. Give it a good mix. After giving a good mix, now we need to add 1 cup of milk. The milk is at room temperature. Give it a good mix. And then we need to add few drops of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Now it's time to prepare the dry ingredients. Put 2 cups of maida, half cup of cocoa powder, baking powder 2 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. We need to sift them. After sifting with the help of whisker, we need to give a good mix and remove all the lumps. Now let's switch to a spatula. We need to fold the batter with the cut and fold method. And now at last we need to add vinegar 2 teaspoon. When vinegar reacts with the baking soda, it makes a batter light. So here I have taken my 2 6-inch cake tins and I'm going to bake it in 2 trays by dividing the batter half. Or else if you want, you can bake it in 1 tray itself of 8-inch or 9-inch. Now grease it with oil. Now divide the batter into 2 molds. Pour them equally. You can reduce the quantity by half and prepare only 1 cake itself. After pouring, tap it gently. And then we need to bake it in oven. So one we are going to bake in oven, another we are going to bake in kadai. So bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Another one let's place in the kadai. Bake it at low flame for 40 minutes. See, both the cakes has been cooled down and the first cake which you can see is baked in the kadai and another one we have baked it in the oven. This is the cake which we had baked in kadai. So I'm going to divide it into 2 layers. See the 2 layers. And this is the cake which we had baked it in oven. Remove the topmost layer. You need not discard it. You can have it just like this itself or else you can do the cake pops and have it. Now we are going to divide the cake. So this is the first layer. Be careful while dividing. This is very soft. And now we are going to cut in the second layer. Yeah, this is the second layer. This is the homemade cherry syrup. Chop few cherries and add some water and sugar and boil it for 1 minute. Your sugar syrup is ready. Place the first layer of the cake. Put the cherry syrup. and some few chopped cherries. And then we need to put the layer of whipping cream. Spread the whipping cream. We are going to do the same process for rest all the layers of our cake. Now let's keep the second layer of the cake. Now put cherry syrup and some pieces of cherry. Now put some whipping cream, spread it, now let's keep third layer. Repeat the same process, put cherry syrup, some pieces of cherry and then whipping cream. Spread the whipping cream. So here we are finished doing 3 layers and still 2 more to go. And now let's place a 4th layer. Put cherry syrup, some pieces of cherry and then whipping cream. Put whipping cream and spread it. Now last layer, that is 5th layer. Put the cherry syrup and then keep some pieces of cherry. And now put the layer of whipping cream again. And after keeping a 5th layer of cake, now we need to cover whole of the cake. We need to cover it from the sides also. Then we need to refrigerate our cake for few seconds and then we'll remove the excess. See, I had refrigerated this cake for some minutes and now see, I've leveled it. I'm removing the excess. Yeah, see how clean it looks now. And now let's drizzle some chocolate ganache from the sides. I have shown how to prepare chocolate ganache at home itself and how to melt the chocolate and prepare the chocolate ganache. So I'll be giving the link in the description box of the recipes. You can check out from there. And here I've taken some whipping cream in the piping bag. We need to pipe it the way I've shown in the video. I've prepared this cake without using egg, condensed milk, butter, and it tastes really awesome, same as how you get from the bakery. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section in which occasion you're going to prepare this cake and how was the taste of the cake. If you want, you can send me the pictures of the cake through Gmail I'll be giving the Gmail ID in the description box below. See here, I've finished preparing border for our cake. Without border, our cake looks empty. Now put some grated chocolate on the top. This is the grated compound chocolate, you can use any other chocolates. Now keep some cherries. And here it's done with the super soft eggless black forest cake. See how delicious and tempting it looks. Now let's cut the cake. See, while cutting itself, you can guess how soft and moist it is.